Have you ever visited a website that takes forever to load? Especially when you're traveling, it can be frustrating. If you are a website owner, you should not need to worry. There's a clever solution that is called a content delivery network. Its short term is CD and it can make websites super fast. Let's dive in and see what is it, how does it work, why we need it. Let's try to understand what is a CDN. A CDN, or Content Delivery Network, is a group of servers which are spread out across different places around the world. These servers work together to deliver internet content quickly and reliably to users, no matter where they are. Imagine you are visiting a website that is hosted in the United States, but you are in Europe. Without a CDN, it might take longer for the website to load, because your request has to travel a long distance. With a CDN, there are servers in Europe that can deliver the website content to you faster, because they are closer to you. Now we see, how does CDN work? The CDN works similarly for websites. It stores copies of a website's static content, like images, videos, and style sheets, on servers in many locations around the world. These locations are called points of presence POPs. When you request a website, the CDN directs your request to the nearest server that has the content you need. How a CDN speeds things up. When you try to access a website with a CDN, your request goes to a special kind of DNS server. This server figures out the closest POP to you and directs your request there. The POP checks its local storage. If it has the content you requested, like an image, it delivers it directly to you, making the website load faster. If the POP doesn't have the content, it fetches it from the website's original server, that is called the origin server, and stores it for future requests. Now we discuss, what are the benefits of using CDN? Websites load quicker because the content is delivered from servers closer to the user. By distributing content across multiple servers, the original server has less work to do. If one server fails, others can take over, keeping the website accessible. During high traffic periods, CDNs can handle more users by distributing the load across multiple servers. It was all about CDN, so the next time you browse the web and things load in a flash, remember, it might be the magic of a CDN working behind the scenes. Thanks for watching.